Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the image is truly a live photo and not a still. Open Photos, tap the live photo, then tap the Share button. Choose Save as Video so iOS converts motion into an MP4 automatically. Once done, verify the new video appears in Recents and plays back with the motion you want. Make sure the live photo has enough length and light because conversion preserves what was captured. This initial export is the only reliable way to bring motion into Capcut. Now open Capcut and tap New Project, then import the video you saved from Photos. You can quickly trim the clip to the exact 1-3-second segment you want, adjust speed for slow motion or quick loops, and mute audio if it's unnecessary. Once imported, use Overlay to layer text or stickers, and use Freeze Frame only when you need a still within motion. Make sure aspect ratio matches your export settings so no black bars appear. Set 16:9 or the platform ratio you need. Finish by exporting from Capcut with the resolution and frame rate you need. Preview the result to confirm the motion is preserved. If you don't see Save as Video in Photos, make sure iOS is up to date. Alternatively, use the Shortcuts app with a Convert Live Photo to Video action. If motion is missing after import, reconfirm the original was live photo and re-export from Photos, because Capcut only receives motion when the live photo is converted to a standard video file first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.